honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? I have another Dollar Tree haul for you. I have a second haul from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree and I found what I was looking for. So excited to show you what I came across that I specifically wanted to get. Okay, so I found these Nautical pins that are seahorses. Isn't this adorable? I love these little seahorses. I was looking for these and I wasn't able to find them, but I went back today and I found them. I love them. So I brought a whole bunch of these because I'm going to be making a really fun project with them. I can't wait to show you. I found some of these little adorable fish little clippies, which I thought they were so cute. So cute. I love them. So I grabbed two of these. Okay, I found this mermaid DIY pin, which I thought was pretty. I didn't find any more. I only grabbed one, but I thought it was I think it's a good idea to grab. We can probably do something with this. I thought it was okay. Not too crazy, but I like it. Okay, I picked up more of these sailboats because I am obsessed with them and I love them so much. So I picked up 3 more of these and I can't wait to do an embellishment with these little sailboats. I cannot wait. I am so excited to show you guys what I'm planning to do. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so I grabbed 3 more of these. I was looking for this. This is the reason, one of the reasons why I went back to Dollar Tree. I was obsessing over these starfish and I found them and I'm so excited. So I was able to pick up these starfish little clippies. Look how adorable these starfishes are. I am so excited to use these adorable starfish in an embellishment. I grabbed a whole bunch. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these because I am so much excited to use these. So yeah, these are so pretty. I also like the color. It's so beautiful, so light. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I cannot wait to use these. I love them. Okay, I got those. I picked up another one of these sailboat Nautical little wood shape. This is cute. I found these little turtles. I didn't see these before. I got seashells and I got other things, but I can't remember right now from the top of my head what else I got. I will link the first Dollar Tree haul video that I did. That's all this short living related items. I'll link that video if you guys want to see the first haul. But I bought a few other little embellishments like this. I can't remember what they are. I think they're a sea. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, okay. There were dolphins. And I think I had some seashells also. And I found these little adorable tiny little turtles. I thought these were so cute. So I just grabbed 2 of these. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I just thought they were cute. So I grabbed them. All right. I got some signs. I found some really fun signs and I got this one, which I thought it was really pretty. Simple but very pretty and beachy. And I love it. So I got this one. And I also found this sign right here, which I also love and is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, so these are cute signs. I also found this sign that I thought would be awesome to put at the beginning of the office. When you walk in, it says welcome with a big gorgeous what do you call it? Decoration in the center. I thought this was really pretty, and I think we're going to DIY this. Not too much because I think it looks pretty the way it is, but I am going to add something here. So this is cute. And then the other one is like this. This one says wait, what does it say? Seal the day. Like on the sea. That's cute. A little confusing, but it's cute. And this has this cute little embellishment right here, which I'm also going to alter. And this is a really pretty sign. They're so pretty, but they're so simple, right? I love them because they're very, very... I like the tone. It's not too crazy and it's not too loud. And I kind of like that tone. All right. I found really, really great, awesome ribbons. Wepa. I mean, can we just say wepa? Awesome, 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 awesome. I didn't even know they had these, but I came across them today and I just grabbed them. I bought this beautiful one right here, which is super beautiful. Then I got this one, which is a seahorse. That's such a cute little image. We got some starfish right here, which I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And then we got some seashells right here. All right. We got more. We got more seahorse and coral flowers, or whatever you call these. Coral, right? What do you call these, baby? Coral? I think I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. But look at the seahorse, how cute they are. They're so cute in here. Okay. Yeah, coral reef, right? Coral reef. I think that's what it's called. Okay, just say yes. Just say yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Then I got some these really fun little boat ribbon, which I thought were so beautiful, right? How cute is this? And then I got this one that has a nice little lighthouse, which I thought it was absolutely adorable. They got really nice ribbons. Okay, this one says shore life is better at the... Oh, okay, so it's supposed to say life is better at the shore. Yep, that's what it's supposed to say. I like it. It's cute. Okay, and then a little bit. And then this one says meet me by the sea. I absolutely love this one. So cute. A lot of ribbon. Look at this. All these ribbons. I mean, how fabulous, right? I can't believe it. Listen, I got super lucky because when I went to the Dollar Tree, I asked my hubby to take me after work, and I was gonna actually hit two Dollar Trees, and the first one that I hit, I scored. So I didn't even waste my time going on the second Dollar Tree that I was planning to go. So I mean, I think that they were literally like putting things on the shelf because the whole section of these shore living was full. So I'm pretty sure that they had just recently stocked the shelves. So yeah, I'm really happy I came across these really beautiful ribbons. Okay, let's talk about what I really wanted to get, guys. Now, on my last video, I told you guys that I was so disappointed because I did not find any more of these gorgeous, beautiful starfish. Guess what? I found them. I got one. I got two. I got three. I got four. I got five. I got six. I got 6 starfish. Starfish. I am so excited to find this. You guys have no idea how much I wanted to locate these starfish. I am so excited. Yes, I got a lot, but you guys know when you go into the Dollar Tree, you must grab what you can see, because if you go back, you're not gonna find it. So I went with that intention. So I got a whole bunch of these gorgeous starfish. I cannot believe I found it. I was so excited, guys. I was really looking for this, and I was really looking for this one. And I got them both. I got super lucky. I got them both. I'm so excited. All right, my loves. I am so happy to find these awesome little treasures. I am going to be doing a series in the next few days. I have a lot of things planned for us to do. I hope that you guys join me. I hope that you are excited. Let me know what you think at the bottom of this video. What do you think about these awesome finds? If you guys are excited about this new series that we're going to do together, hopefully it gives you some ideas, some inspiration, and I cannot wait to start, guys. I am literally so anxious to start this series. I cannot wait. So I'm going to be preparing most of the stuff that I have here, and in the next few days, do not be surprised if I'm going to be popping up little tutorials here and there. I did do a video on my reading journal setup, so I will probably post that video up for you guys in the next few days, and then I'm going to start getting crafty. All right, my loves, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for your wonderful comments. Thank you so much for your amazing support. I love you all. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel, always returning, always leaving me awesome, beautiful comments. And thank you so much. Okay, my loves, I will see you soon. If you guys have Instagram, make sure you go and follow me over there too, because I do post every once in a while. I post little videos here and there about things that I get. Okay, my loves, I will hope to see you there as well. Everybody stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.